Hi, so today I'll be doing kind of like a summary of the book I'm reading. It's called Sapiens. Here we can see the cover of the book. Therefore, I will tell the story since the beginning, but first let you know that we will have an author whose name is Yuval, and he's going to be with us in the process of the whole story. Now, let's start with the story. First, when we think in history, we usually tend to think in the study of the past events. Example, the French Revolution. But we don't really believe it could go deeper than this, when literally history is all the studies connected in one. Yuval take as an example the Big Bang Theory. Here we have an illustration of how it might have looked. And with this, he wants us to understand that history is a direct continuation of physics, chemistry, and biology. And if we want to understand more complex history, first we gotta understand how all began and how humans evolved. Something that I found truly fascinating, it was getting to know that there wasn't only one human species, but there were six of them. Like when I was reading that, it literally blew my mind. And we had these six species. We can see Homo erectus, Homo neanderthal, Homo luzonensis, Homo denisovan, Homo floresiensis, and for the last, Homo sapiens, that will be us. All these species had its own characteristics, but really sad, or they all died. The one and only standing is Homo sapiens, that will be us, and I think that's really crazy, isn't it? Like, how will all of them disappear out of nowhere and just one will survive? We still don't know this yet. We will know this in the next chapter. But to continue with the story, here are something extraordinary is how we start to evolve, and this had its beginning in our brains and our posture. Um, our brains, we needed bigger brains to store and process more information, making us develop tools to fight, have abilities to learn, and to socialize. And with the posture, I mean walking upright. Walking upright is walking in two legs. This will give us the advantage to scan where our enemies will be, and we wouldn't need any more arms, so they could be useful for other things. That's why we can do intricate tasks with our hands. That is really important for us humans. Another thing that will completely change the entire course of history is the discovery of fire. This will provide for them warmth and lighting, protection from predators, and a way to create more advanced tools for them to fight, and a method for cooking foods. This will help them with their digestion and have a variety of diet. So the discovery of fire and our bigger brains will literally change the whole game. And after being really weak for 2 million of years, in the last 100 years, we will become the most powerful creature on Earth. Now, to finish, we realize that if we understand what has happened before, we will understand why humans are the way they are now. The books help us to be in this wonderful journey through our beginnings to understand our evolution, and I think that's something really fascinating and really quite curious. I hope you like it, and have a nice day.